Hello?
Hi, do you want to rent a scooter?
Yes, but I'm not sure about helmet rules.
You're not sure about helmet rules? No problem. In this city, you must wear a helmet when you ride a scooter.
I not have my own helmet.
You don't have your own helmet? That's okay. We can give you one with the scooter.
Is it okay if I ride without helmet?
Is it okay if I ride without a helmet? No, it's not safe and it's against the rules.
Thank you for telling me. I want to be safe.
You want to be safe? That's good. Always wear your helmet.
How I adjust the helmet?
How do I adjust the helmet? Just use this strap under your chin.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try the scooter.
That's great. Have a safe and fun ride.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the refill station. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to refill my cooking oil bottle.
You want to refill your cooking oil bottle? Yes, we can do that here.
I not refill oil before.
You have not refilled oil before? No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
How much oil I can take?
How much oil can I take? You can take as much as your bottle holds.
What kind of oil you have?
What kind of oil do you have? We have sunflower and olive oil.
I want olive oil, please.
Great choice. I will fill your bottle now.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling is good for the planet. Come back anytime.
Hello?
Hi, do you like the mural?
Yes, it is beautiful. Can I paint my own design here?
Can you paint your own design here? Yes, we welcome new artists.
I not paint on wall before.
You have not painted on a wall before? That's okay. I can show you how.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just your idea. We have paint and brushes.
Can I paint any picture?
Can I paint any picture? Yes, but please keep it friendly for everyone.
How long I can paint?
How long can I paint? You can paint for 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am excited to try.
That's wonderful. Have fun and be creative.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the recycling point. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about recycling batteries.
You want to know about recycling batteries? Yes, we have a special box for them.
I not recycle batteries before.
You have not recycled batteries before? No problem. Just put them in this box.
Can I put all batteries here?
Can I put all batteries here? Yes, but please tape the ends if they are big.
Why I need tape?
Why do I need tape? It is for safety so they don't touch each other.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to recycle.
That's great. Recycling helps the planet.
I will bring more next time.
Wonderful. See you again soon.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the upcycling workshop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about making bags from old jeans.
You want to know about making bags from old jeans? Yes, we teach that here.
I not make bag before.
You have not made a bag before? No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just your old jeans and some thread.
Can I use glue?
Yes, you can use glue or a needle and thread.
How long it take to make one bag?
How long does it take to make one bag? About 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Upcycling is fun and good for the planet.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Digital Skills class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn to use email.
You want to learn to use email? That's great. We teach that here.
I not use email before.
You have not used email before? No problem. We start from the beginning.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just bring your phone or laptop.
Is it hard to learn?
No, it is easy. I will show you step by step.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to learn something new.
That's wonderful. You will send your first email soon.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our rooftop cafe. Can I help you?
Yes, I want sit outside.
You want to sit outside? Yes, we have outdoor seating.
I not sit here before.
You have not sat here before? No problem. The view is very nice.
Is it cold outside now?
It is a little cold, but we have warm blankets.
That is good. Can I order food outside?
Can I order food outside? Yes, you can order anything from the menu.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try the rooftop cafe.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your meal and the view.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the podcast studio. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to record my voice.
You want to record your voice? That's great. We can help you do that here.
I not record before.
You have not recorded before? No problem. It's easy and fun.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just bring your idea or story.
Is the microphone hard to use?
No, it is simple. I will show you how to use it.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am a little nervous.
Don't worry, you will do great.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Let's start recording.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the composting group.
You want to join the composting group? That's great. We meet every Saturday.
I not do composting before.
You have not done composting before? No problem. We teach new people.
What I need to bring?
What do I need to bring? Just bring some food scraps and a smile.
How long is the meeting?
The meeting is about 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the garden.
That's wonderful. Composting is good for the earth.
I am excited to join.
We are happy to have you.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our thrift shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy children clothes.
You want to buy children's clothes? Yes, we have many here.
I not shop here before.
You have not shopped here before? No problem. I can show you the children's section.
Thank you. Do you have clothes for 5-year-old?
Yes, we have clothes for all ages. What size do you need?
I'm not sure about size.
That's okay. We can help you find the right size.
How much cost for one shirt?
How much does one shirt cost? It is $3.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find good clothes.
That's great. Enjoy shopping and come back anytime.